Last season was sad. Last season was very sad. I found myself watching the game and just watch it because I'm just a fan. There was no care, there was no desire. Me even stopped streaming. I'm blaming my data. Last season was sad. But Manchester United, what the hell have you done, fam? What? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, fam. They said Manchester United had no pull. They said Manchester United had no pull. We finished 15th. Yeah, we pull Cunha. We finished 15th. Yeah, we pull Mbemo. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, this is Rome. It's been a while since I've been on this space. Last video I made was about Jamaica's triumph in the Gold Cup. But today we will talk about Manchester United. Before going further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow the fam. Let's go. Listen. Last year was crap. Manchester United has been crap, as I've said before, for the last 10 years. And that's because the people who are running the club, from Woodward all the way down to the other waste man is just left, they just been running the ground down and the club down and down and down and down, further and further and further, fam. But this new regime, Ineos, the broke billionaire, Sir Jim Ratcliffe, fam, you man had me thinking differently. You man have me thinking absolutely differently, fam. At first, when the season ended last year, and I said, look how much people don't put out of work at Manchester United. Start taking meals out of people and play every day. Now you get the players good meals, yes, but the players, the people who work at the club, take all the meals. The ex-players who used to get 40 grand a year, cut that off. There's so much things they did at Manchester United from the past year and a half. I met you, John, the brother are evil, man. These guys are crazy, bro. And the people we need to get rid of, the players that should be got rid of, they're not doing it. But what's going on now, fam? After Tottenham won against Manchester United in the Europa League, the last game of the season, fam, the last game of significance in the season, I was down and dusted. Fam. There's nothing no one could tell me. I could talk to my friend group, me tell them, say, I'm not talk about football no more, stop dealing me about football. Me tell them, listen, these man said to us at the end of the season, the good days are coming. And that just fly past my head because I hear those fancy words from for a long time. I've heard those fancy words for a very long time. So I take no talk from them. Go on and go. I'm not here with that. But today, fam, August 6th. Today, August 6th? August 7th. Today, marks me that I say, Ineos, Jim Ratcliffe, you man has changed my outlook on Manchester United. Remember, Alex Ferguson left in 2013. But today, fam, first, Cunha. The season, the transfer market start, I think if first week of July, man them back out Cunha right away, boom. And before I could celebrate Cunha, fam, the next day, Fabrizio Romano, listen, Manchester United is going for Mbemo. And yes, it lasts for 6 months. Everybody complaining, fighting. I was complaining, what is going on? 6 weeks to get Cunha down the line. They did that. And then the day after Cunha, boom, Manchester United is looking for Benjamin Sesko. In between that 6 months, 6 weeks, we're looking at Manchester United trying to get Gyökeres, and I was like, yeah, I really need Gyökeres. The type of player that he is, fam, the man named run out. Gyökeres just signed for Manchester United. And today, instead yesterday, grumblings from yesterday. Belabor, brother. Belabor, the last mini ingredient in Manchester United's team. Belabor. Manchester United is looking to get Belabor. Now remember me tell you this. At first them say Manchester United now no more pull. You man are shit. You man finished 15th. That means that you're not gonna get to pull Cunha. Oh yes, they did. Shit. Alright, cool. You're not gonna get to pull Mbemo. Oh fuck, they did. You're not gonna pull a striker. You not have a striker. You not have no striker. You have two number 10, but you're not have a striker. What you gonna do? Them just pull Benjamin blood clot. Listen me, man. Manchester United is on the verge of talking to Brighton for Belabor. Now, if you know anything about Premier League football, Belabor is the most up and coming superstar in the midfield when it comes to defensive midfield. The man can dribble. Hold on the ball, run down the flank, you can't hold on him. He can tackle. The perfect type of footballer. He's not that tall, he's not that small. You remind me of Kante, but with more finesse. Lungs for days. Listen, me, man. Manchester United. I don't know what you did, how you did it, but you, man, have changed the outlook of my life moving forward. Yeah. Watching Manchester United in preseason, or watch them physically playing a preseason, I'm saying to myself, okay, that'll go down. No, I am going to set myself aside. Because I gave up my Manchester United last season, So regardless of how much we talk, we're not going to ever left football. We're not going to ever left Manchester United. So Manchester United, bring them come. Because I will be streaming. I will be talking about Manchester United all season. Because, Liverpool, we're coming for you. Remember when you were down in 2011? You go pay big 25 million record fee for Andy Carroll. Manchester United is down and in the gutter right now. How we do? Pull Cunha. Pull Mbemo. We pull blood Benjamin Sesko. And we are about to grab up. It might not happen, yes, but we are about to grab up Belabor, brother. Listen me, man. Listen me. We're coming for you. We are coming for you. I remember when we tell you this. When we catch you, it's going to be a madness. People bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.